Okay, lesson 57, select the text Gerald Haas, so however you want to select it. Alright, then go to Insert. I believe it's under Links. Oh, my bad. Text. Click part right here. Click on the arrow down right here where it says Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. I hope I'm remembering this correctly. And name Gerald closing lines, so just leave the Gerald. And then put closing lines. And in the description, actually do it one of two ways. You can copy that if it'll allow us. No, it won't allow us, so we got to key it in there. Find, click OK, and keep your fingers crossed. There you go. Okay. Good luck.